Hi, you are looking at the box containing the Nokia 5310 dual SIM phone. It's a very basic box set. If you flip it over, you will get some more information like the fact that the 5310 has a 2.4-inch display, has dual speakers, has an MP3 player and FM radio, has a micro SD card slot, and that it has a battery backup of 20 hours. That's pretty good actually. Let's open this one up and see what we have inside. Firstly, we have the phone in a neat plastic wrapper. This one is the black and red variant. Next, we have a 1200 mAh lithium-ion battery, also in a plastic wrapper. Very old school. Next, we have the charger, which is a standard micro USB charger. We also have a pair of headphones with a 3.5mm jack. That's not bad at all. Finally, we have a quick guide which you should read at least once. This is not a smartphone, so you will have to put in the battery like so and then hold down the red button for this device to start. And that's what you will find inside the Nokia 5310 box. Thank you for watching.